What's up, everybody? Welcome to my channel. Thanks for tuning in. So today I want to show you guys my new mirrors that I got. Now, I bought these here off of Amazon, good old Amazon. As you can see, these suckers are pretty nice. They're really sleek, really slim. They seem to be pretty nice quality. So this is what I had on there before. You know, stock type. These aren't exactly stock, but you know, obviously, I hate to say it, but I hate the way they look. You know, I gotta have mirrors. I'm not one of those guys that aren't gonna run mirrors, obviously, but I want my stuff to look good, and just without those mirrors on now, it looks way better. But when I add these mirrors on, it's going to look 100 times better. So my problem was that I was dumb and I did not take my bike apart first. I just automatically assumed that I had 7/8 hollow bars on my bike, which I do not. So I ordered the wrong set of mirrors, which I can show you also, and those are the type that expand once you tighten the nut. But these Kawasaki bikes have, let me show you, they have these, I think this is an 8 by 1.5 or 1.25. I'll measure it actually. Let's see if it says it here. 8 M8. So yeah, it's either 1.5 or 1.25, probably 1.25. So yeah, these suckers are super easy to install. I really like it. Let me hook them up and I'll show you guys what it looks like, and then I'll put the link in the description so you can order them if you want it. Hopefully this helps you guys out. So in the box, you have your mirror, you have this piece here, which is separate, you have your bolt, and then you have some spacers, which I'm not going to put on because, oh, you even have the tool. That's awesome. I didn't even see that. You also have these spacers right here, which I'm not going to put on because I am not fully installing it yet. But as you can see, that spacer probably goes right in there. But all you literally have to do, just take that sucker, screw it in like that. So this is a 6mm Allen right here, and then just tighten her up. Try not to swing it. Okay, and then once you get it tight, you can kind of, but look at that, bro. That is so sweet. I'm so excited. It's just gonna look better, and I feel like it's honestly just going to be better, you know, because it just makes sense. Anyways, that's how you do it. You have another little adjustment here. Sorry, right there, so that way you can swing it out or do, you know, whatever you want. There's lots of different adjustments you can do on these, but yeah, link is in the description. Please follow me, guys, if you like moto related stuff. I also post a lot of car related stuff because that's just basically my life. But yeah, I'm going to be posting lots of bike events and all sorts of repair stuff. So check a brother out. Have a good one. Peace.